A Soviet Parus navigation satellite, launched in 1989, is likely to collide with a Chinese rocket booster, launched in 2009. Neither the Russian satellite, nor the Chinese booster, has any method of propulsion on board. Therefore, it is impossible to steer them away from one another, or drown them into the ocean. In the event of such a collision, the resulting space debris may cause damage to some other fully functional satellites, launched by other countries. According to space scientists, the odds of such a collision happening are approximately 10%. Let's see what happens today, or tonight. Let's keep our fingers crossed, and hope for the best.